From the massive protests at Badlapur railway station against the sexual assault of minors to the accused's encounter, here's what happened in the Badlapur sexual assault case so far. Two 4-year-old school children were allegedly sexually abused by a janitor on August 12th and 13th in the washroom of their school in Maharashtra's Badlapur. The accused was arrested on August 17th for allegedly sexually assaulting two 4-year-old girls. Medical examinations confirmed the sexual abuse of both girls. Angry protesters swarmed the Badlapur railway station on August 20th to protest against the delay in FIR and poor safety measures for children in educational institutions. Protesters vandalized the school and disrupted local train services at Badlapur railway station for nearly 8 hours, affecting train movement on the Karjat Kalyan routes.
13 से 16 तक का ये इंसिडेंस है और 18 को इसका एफआईआर उनके जो पालक है उन्होंने किया था। तो इसमें भी 12 घंटे का जो गैप हुआ था वो 12 घंटे उसके बारे में वहाँ के जो पीआई है उनको भी ट्रांसफ़र किया गया है। हमने पूरी मशीनरी एक्टिवेट करी ताकि ऐसा इंसिडेंस फिर कभी भी महाराष्ट्र में नहीं हो।
The Bombay High Court said it was the government's duty to trace missing children and women. Hearing a public interest litigation, a division bench of Chief Justice D.K. Upadhyay and Justice Amit Borkar directed the Maharashtra government to file an affidavit on measures taken by it to deal with such cases. The chairperson and the secretary of the Badlapur school approached the Bombay High Court seeking anticipatory bail in the case. Special Investigation Team (SIT) concluded the investigations in the sexual assault case and filed 2 charge sheets before the Special Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act court in Kalyan. The SIT said it had built a strong case against the accused janitor. The police relied heavily on medical and scientific evidence, as the accused's phone was switched off for nearly 10 days due to a technical problem and the CCTV footage was not available to establish his presence at the spot at the time of the crime. Police obtained footage of a municipal corporation CCTV installed outside the school, the officers said. An SIT officer said charge sheets have also been filed against the school's headmaster and 2 members of the management for failing to report the sexual assault as required under the POCSO Act. Accused Akshay Shinde died in a police encounter. Police said the accused was being taken in a vehicle when he snatched Assistant Police Inspector Nilesh More's pistol and fired at the team escorting him in a bid to escape from custody.
अक्षय शिंदे ये जो बदलापुर में आरोपी था वो आज जिसको तफ्तीश के लिए जो उसके ऊपर उसकी पहली पत्नी जो थी उसने गुनाह रजिस्टर किया था लैंगिक अत्याचार का और इसकी वजह से उसको तपास के लिए ला रहे थे और उस दरमियान उसने एपीआई नीलेश मोरे इसके ऊपर फायरिंग की। नीलेश मोरे जख्मी है, घायल है और इसीलिए पुलिस ने खुद के बचाव के लिए ये कार्यवाही की है और ऐसी प्राथमिक जानकारी मुझे मिली है। बाकी तो पुलिस जांच के बाद बाकी सब पता चलेगी।
Body of Badlapur sexual assault accused Akshay Shinde was taken to JJ Hospital in Mumbai for post-mortem.